Hi there, my name is Basith Mohammed, and I'm currently taking CS50W, which is Harvard's Introduction to Web Development with Python and JavaScript, and this is Project Zero. So the first specification of the project was that you were supposed to make a Google search page, a Google image page, and a Google advanced search page, and you were able to navigate between them with links on the top right. So this is my project, and I do have this index.html up here. So one of my pages, which is my Google search, is index.html. And then as you can see over here on the right, I can go to Google Images. And then I can go to Google Advanced Search. And I can also go back between each one. And the buttons change depending on which page I'm on. So the next specification was to be able to search and the actual format and layout of the search button. So let's take a look at that. So over here, I have the Google page, and then I have a Google search. So let's just search LeBron James. And there he is. Also, let me just show you the button. So you can click on the button too, and then you can search. And then you get info about LeBron. The third specification was to be able to do Google image searches. So let's go to the Google image page that I made, and let's do some searches there. Steph Curry. And then we get pictures of Steph Curry. So pretty simple stuff. And also the button here changes to Google image search, as you can see. So let's go back. The fourth specification was to be able to make an advanced search page, which prompts you with these four different options and does an advanced search the way that Google makes their advanced search. So let's go to my advanced search, and that you can just click up here. And then let's maybe search up basketball, this exact most points maybe as the exact word or phrase. Any of these words, let's just say Western Conference. And then none of these words, let's say maybe no Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, that is. Let's do a search and see what we get. So we get a few websites here. And then obviously you can see over here, basketball, and then it does Western, and then or conference, most, and then points in quotations, and then minus cream, which is the way that Google makes it work. And then also if you look up here, it has the different tags. Let's go back. So now this is specification 5, which is just the styling of the advanced search. So I'll show you that real quick. So obviously we have all of these text boxes aligned. They go towards the end of the page. And similarly to Google's advanced search, we have like a red heading that says advanced search here, a line, and then a blue button that does advanced search comparative to these like grayish kind of buttons. And then number 6, which was the hardest one for me, but the implementation of I'm Feeling Lucky, which just takes you to the first website rather than to the results page. So let's try that out in Google search here. And let's try it out on YouTube. This doesn't give me the redirect, so let's see if it works. And there you go. It takes you directly to youtube.com. And if you want to check if youtube.com is the first search, youtube.com is the first search, and it is even turned purple because I've used I'm Feeling Lucky to get in there. So let's just show you one more time. It goes to youtube.com. The seventh thing is just that the CSS should resemble just Google's aesthetics. I've done a pretty decent job here. I actually started working on my computer, so not my laptop, so it's a little lower than usual. But other than that, I have these that don't actually do anything. A search bar that's the proper, like rounded and everything. You can type in it. These buttons, like similar colors. This is Google's logo. Images turns it into images, changes this to image search. And this is almost pretty much exactly as the advanced search is for Google. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video and looking at my Project Zero. Can't wait to do more.